He was in the Houston Rockets. Their affiliate was Rio Grande. And he became an assistant on Kevin McHale's staff. Dante spins off to Garza in the lane. He'll flip it up and in. Turnover on Philly. Minot sets up Dillingham, who jumps into the right wing three. No, Minot the putback. And also KJ Martin, Caleb Martin, Kyle Lowry, and Jared McCain. Postgraduate year in Napa, California, then to UCLA. Also has played for the Turkish national team. How about a three right side for Josh Minot? Dante DiVincenzo back in the game. McCain hits the first free throw, missed the second. The rebound pops out of the hands of Naz Reid and then Anthony Edwards, and Andre Drummond is able to slam it home. Inside, Jaden answers right back with a dunk of his own. 47-29. Maxey with it, 2 of 6 shooting, 5 points in 12 minutes of play. Feeds Oubre up top. Oubre will pull up, straightaway three, and he hit it against the Timberwolves. Sixers split the 2 games against the Wolves last year. Each team winning on their home floor. Naz right in front of his own bench, area to bury the triple. Dillingham read it well, scoops up the air ball, zips it inside, and with the layup. Running baseline, Rob found him. How about that? Dillingham to Edwards, and the Wolves now lead by 20. Wolves' largest lead in that game against LA a week ago. They led by 22. Oubre, left side three, missed it long. DiVincenzo had the rebound, stolen by Paul George, and he'll lay it up and in. PG in his Sixer debut, 2 of 7 shooting, he's got 7 points. McDaniels just goes hard at Drummond and lays it up and in. Wolves are now shooting 55%. Ant picks up the dime. Good ball move, but the Wolves have 15 assists on 18 made field goals. You think you have an opening at this level, and boy, defenders are so quick. It disappears so quickly. Weaving around the Drummond screen, George fires on a 3 and drains it. Always attracting attention. Dante to the corner, Naz. 3 ball on the way, hit the side of the backboard. Naz scoops it up, drives baseline. The layup, good enough, foul. Line up out there as well. Here's Drummond, try to force one up inside. I think Naz got a piece of that. Either that or hit the side of the backboard. Conley pushes back the other way. Bounce it off inside. Naz finally made the catch, and his reverse layup is good. Up by 16, 2:30 left to go here first half. Ant's been quiet, 17 minutes. One-on-one here against Caleb Martin, settles for the pull-up just inside the top of the key jumper and hits it. Postseason last year, Ant was 28.7 boards and 7 dimes. And his shooting splits, 48% and 40% from beyond the arc. Drive by Maxey, what a finish with the right hand on the reverse side. And I asked Chris Finch, I said, hey, are those numbers something to shoot for Ant? I mean, is that realistic through the course of 82 games? Ant fires away on a corner 2. Have their efficiency even higher. There is room for Anthony Edwards to be more efficient. He's got it left side, catch and shoot 3. Oh, now he's starting to feel it. That's 3 straight shots for Anthony Edwards. Kelly poked it free, Ant backtracks, 8 to shoot. Splits 2 defenders, runs it up down the lane. The shot rattles around, drops in, count it, and a foul. Points. There may have been another Wolves bucket in there somewhere, but I believe it's 8 in a row. Under a minute to go, first half. Maxey pulls up mid-range jumper right side. That's in and out. No tip foul for Andre Drummond. Maxey between the legs, 10 points, 1 assist. Paul George has it on the left side. Here's the step back angle. 3 on the way. Got it. 4 of 8 from long range. 18 first half points for PG. Wolves pushing. Here's McDaniels. Left side triple. No good. Rebound. Jaden with it. He'll throw it up at the... Gone with his starting 5 of Maxey, Oubre, Martin, George, and Drummond. Drummond, nice hesitation. Got Naz in the air, then took advantage, scoring it for 2. Drummond, 8 points, 10 rebounds in this game. Give and go. Jaden gets it back and stuffs it through with the right hand. It's a pretty play. Oh, jumping the pass left side as Oubre made the steal on Nikhil's pass to Ant and breaks away for the two-handed lightly. 3rd straight possession that's ended in a turnover. Maxey frees himself, fires on a 3, hits it, and there's going to be a timeout by Chris Finch. You can feel that one brewing as soon as it left his hand. Wolves are 0 for 2 with 3 turnovers. Ant makes the steal. Now the Wolves have numbers. 4-on-2 advantage. Ant flaring out to the corner. Catch and shoot 3, missed it. Dante soars it. Oh, got a hand to it. Couldn't finish. Naz does. fact, Maxey had a 35 in a game that Joel Embiid had 51. Oubre knocks down the triple, rattling it around. But that was a game in Philadelphia last year in December where Embiid had 51, Tyrese Maxey had 35. It banks in a 3 straight away. I'm not sure he called that. Maxey now with it, crosses over, now the step back angle 3, got it. Boy. In the games he missed, they were 16 and 27, a 31 win pace. Elbow jumper, George knocks it down at 82. I mean, they were absolutely dominant in the games where Joel Embiid was available. Nikhil the drive out to Nas up top, moves it off to McDaniels, who steps through in the lane. The layup, good, and a foul. Boy, nicely done by Jaden. Now, Jaden does not get to the free throw line a ton. He can find a way to get himself to the stripe. That will mean that he's being aggressive and that that's going to be one of the keys for the Wolves going forward is the internal development for Anthony Edwards and Jaden McDaniels. With guys like Rudy Gobert, Mike Conley, Maxey now crossing midcourt. Surveys the scene, works on Nikhil, got a step on him, pulls up, mid-range jumper, he got it. Wow, in traffic. That's a high degree of difficulty. How about a waist-high dribble for George? He starts to back down. The rookie, Dillingham, spins away from him, runs into Joe Ingles, rises, hits, and he was fouled. Well, Paul George recognized the situation. 88-80, 1 out of 2 at the line for Luka Garza. Here's Gordon taking Ingles off the dribble, in the paint, runs it up off glass, got it, and a reach-in foul on Garza. McCain working against Dillingham, takes him right inside, lays it up and in. The Wolves still shooting an even 50%. Philly's been down at 42%. And Josh Minot able to finish that with ease. Gershon Yabusele is back. Here's Jackson on the move against Garza. Oh, shoves him out of the way, and the reverse layup is good. 21 for Tyrese Maxey. Yabusele showing some range. A right wing 3 that drops in. 5-point game. Yabusele couldn't hit a 3 here. Boy, Dacian Nix tried to outlet it up ahead to a Garza who was leaking out, but I think the ball slipped right out of Dacian's hands. Ricky Council, the 4th, rocks the rim. 2 down, 10 to go here in the 4th. Timberwolves by 7. Josh Minot, right-handed dribble, shoves off on Council, runs it up high off the window, and it drops in softly. Trying to do quick math in my head. For 15 on the season. McCain straightaway 3. A big-time shot. And Nick Nurse will turn back to Udembona. Step through by KJ Martin, floats it up and in. Around to the corner, McCain. Jared McCain will drive and kick it back up top. Here's Council. He'll drive, kick. Open 3 for McCain. He buries it. Started 12 of those. And it was Embiid and Maxey on the floor, and Tobias Harris, which you expect, as Garza knocks down another 3 for Philly. Ooh, dangerous pass by TJ Shannon, got stripped. Doughton with it, takes Dillingham right to the cup. Layup, good, and a foul.
Being one of the young stars, up-and-coming perennial all-stars in this league. But then you just...
KBD scoops it up. Along the baseline, KBD lost it, got airborne, and threw it right to Ricky Council. Now to KJ Martin, who steps through to the rim. Layup good, 2-point game. Numbers aren't there. Dillingham now explodes toward the baseline, back to a cutting Miller. The floater is in. More of a runner from Leonard Miller. But the smart play is to kick it out. Here's Dillingham, a drive. Oh, what a find inside as he got caught airborne along the baseline. He spotted Diop, and Bates Diop will lay it in for 2. 116 to 109 as Doughton comes down the lane, hangs and hits off the window for 2 more. Nope, they'll say Timberwolves basketball. Shot clock is dark. The Wolves will dribble it out, and this one will come to an end.